In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a CutePDF to printer list. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, you want to install your software. So I have the professional version over here. I'm going to trial it right now, but of course, you could have the free version as well. And whenever you do this, it should actually automatically add CutePDF to your printer list. So if I go to the print button top left over here and click on it, you can see under printers, I can click here, and there's going to be CutePDF Writer over here automatically, okay? So if I also open a different PDF, for example inside Chrome, like my PDF viewer, I can go and click on the print button top right, and then from here you can see by default there's actually no CutePDF printer, so what you have to do is click on it and click on see more, and now it should show somewhere in here. So click on it, and there we go, it's going to basically pop up, and you can use this to print PDFs. Now of course, if it doesn't show, what you can try doing is just reinstalling your CutePDF software on your computer. So delete it from your control panel or from your apps on your computer, and then reinstall it from their official website, and you'll be able to get just that, the CutePDF Writer, as one of the printers on your printer list. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.